Hey, what's up, Spore finance holders? So this is very urgent update and latest update, my friend. And what's the prediction to upcoming days? Spore finance is moving up or fails down. And what's the prediction, my friend? Absolutely very important. And what's the target? And what's the my opinion, my friend, to sell, hold, or buy? Unbelievable moving, my friend, Spore finance, and this time, but the current days, my friend, especially the previous days, my friend, they very badly falls down. So all my subscriber, all my viewers, congratulations to this time Spore finance is completely moving up and they give you very good profit. First of all, my friend, I request you if you subscribe this channel, then I give you guarantee to you cannot lost any time, every time, my friend, any cryptocurrency you cannot lost. So kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Please subscribe. Okay, the last 1 hour latest update, if you can see here this time, my friend, plus 1.26%. This is the latest change occurred, my friend, in the last 1 hour, and the price is 0.00001 US dollar. Very cheap price, my friend, of Spore finance. If you want to sell, absolutely, my friend, this time is very good because very cheap price, and absolutely they make you millionaire if they take a jump, very small jump if they take, then absolutely they make you millionaire. So kindly hold it. If you are already holder, then absolutely hold it. Don't sell it, please hold. Don't sell it and wait for a good time, my friend. What's the prediction to upcoming days? They're moving up or they falls down, my friend. Every cryptocurrency is moving in this circulation. To after a jump they falls down, and after a fails they take a jump. So definitely after a very big jump, my friends, they falls down, and after this fails they also take a jump. So the good time is coming soon. After this fails they take a jump. I cannot say you, my friend, today take a good jump or they take a bad jump, my friend, but they take a jump. Absolutely, I have no idea to they take a small jump or they take a big jump, but definitely, my friend, I think they take a small jump because this is just at the second week of this month, and every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket in the mid of this month. So I think this is a short jump, but definitely if you are a long time investor, then kindly don't sell it, hold it for a long time. I hope they make you millionaire. So for finance holder, hope you understand. At this time you can see here I already show you the latest current change update. So please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press bell icon for this type more informative videos.